Do you know what a rainforest are? Rainforests are tropical forests which get more than 200 centimeters of rain every year. They are hot and steamy places. The largest rainforests are in Brazil, in the Amazon River basin, parts of Africa, Southeast Asia, and some Pacific. Iceland also have a rainforest. Rainforests cover only 2% of the Earth's surface, but scientists believe that they contain half of all the plant and animal species found on our planet. By converting carbon dioxide to oxygen, rainforests decrease pollution and influence our climate. Many of our most valuable medicines comes from plants that grow in the rainforest. Today we are destroying these forests at the rate of 75,000 square kilometers every year to make way for cattle ranches, mines, cities and reservoirs. This works out to 10 square kilometers every hour.